Okay. So, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. So, today we are revising unit number 4 for the subject CRM, Customer Relationship Management. This was the only part of CRM that was left out, correct? So, in today's session, we'll finish unit number 4. This class is TYBMS B Marketing, right? So, Unit 4 is all about customer relationship management in modern era, students. Means in today's time, we all in the first two units we studied what is CRM, well, customer satisfaction, all that. Now, what we have to study is latest what is happening in the world. Okay, so now we'll first of all understand what is ECRM. The word E, you all know it stands for electronic. So electronic CRM. So you all know students, पहले अब जो offline CRM होता था, now everything is replaced by online. Correct? Electronic. So means if I will tell you students, basically ECRM, if I will tell you it has the main features like the following. Customer management means I have told you, like, just today morning, students, I had called Amazon. I had some query like regarding a product. So, students, they basically, even they are working from home, but still, unke paas customer ka data, everything is available. Their order number, which refund, which, product they want, they are interested in, right? So, that is what customer management. फिर knowledge management means in spite of working from home, जो bosses थे they have all the knowledge कि कौन employee he is handling which customers, because of students will study these softwares that are available nowadays, computer systems that are there. It has become very easy to maintain all customer related data. अकाउंट मैनेजमेंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी अकाउंट्स में ये सब आ जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. इसमें यहाँ पे मोस्टली द रोल ऑफ सेल्स टीम्स कम्स. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउ मच मनी इज गोइंग इन, हाउ मच मनी इज गोइंग आउट. सेल्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. केस मैनेजमेंट मीन्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट्स, जो लीड टाइम होना चाहिए, राइट, इट शुडंट बी टू मच, लाइक राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम अ कस्टमर हैज रेज्ड अ क्वेरी टू द टाइम अ क्वेरी इज बीइंग रिजॉल्व्ड. हम बोलते हैं ना, ज्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज टोल्ड ओवर हियर. ओके. देन इफ आई विल टेल यू बैक एंड इंटीग्रेशन, इसका मीनिंग क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? बैक एंड का जो हमारे लाइक सी, I have told you in film line and all, what we see in the movies is only the film stars, Bollywood stars, but behind the scene BTS हम बोलते हैं, so many people are involved, directors, producers, cameramen. Okay, so that is, so we cannot ignore their efforts. Same way, Amazon, for example, if we are talking about, we talk only about Jeff Bezos and all, correct? But there are so many others who are involved, students, right? Reporting and analysis. Especially this applies to today's time because of COVID, everyone is working from home. So, sub reporting, it has been online through emails. That is what is told over here. So as you all can see in the PPT, students, marketing, sales, taking orders, supports, all of these functions come under ECRM. Okay, now let me start sharing the next slide with you. Students, abhi, you might feel I am going a bit fast, but I would expect you now, since you have a class test for Unit 4 also. Correct? What you can basically do is, these videos, I am requesting you, you make sure you watch it once again. Okay, so that your concept will be more clear. So now if I will tell you students, now let us try to understand different levels of CRM. Okay, so there are basically, if I will tell you as per your textbook, okay, again they have the same, mention the same thing. There are three levels. First one is foundational services. Means, see what it's written, it includes the minimum necessary services such as website effectiveness, responsiveness. Means what we tell now students, day to day हमारे जो orders होते, collecting those orders, working on those orders, all of those comes under foundational. I had told you students, website maintenance is again very important. कोई भी अगर order है, उसकी right quantity should be displayed on it. Correct? So all of it, replying to customers' email, all of this comes under foundational. If we talk about customer centered services, means इसमें on a specific customer, we will have hundreds of customers, and all 100 customers might have different needs. Correct? So what it's told over here, basically catering to their needs. हर एक के problem solve करो, queries resolve karo. How you can do that? Even students, some companies offer customization, means आपको जिस हिसाब से product चाहिए. For example, if I'm a smartphone manager, if a company has approached me कि हमें खास ब्लू कलर के फोन चाहिए जिस पे ऐसा लोगो हो, तो आई विल मेक श्योर मैं उनके लिए ये थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस करके देती हूँ. दिस इज नथिंग बट कस्टमाइजेशन. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में जो थर्ड टाइप है, दैट इज वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज. मीन्स इफ आई विल टेल यू इन अ वे परफेक्ट, हम जो बोलते हैं ना, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फाउंडेशनल plus customer centered, means what we are doing is we are in a way, if I will tell you, differentiating customers. हम बोलते हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स, in order to serve them in a more better way, राइट? हम लोग कई बार, आई हैव टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट्स, वी ऑल्सो ग्रुप कस्टमर्स. हमारे जो स्टार शॉपर्स होते हैं, दे आर वन कैटेगरी. नॉर्मल शॉपर्स आर वन कैटेगरी. न्यू शॉपर्स आर अनदर कैटेगरी फॉर अस. Correct? I hope it's clear. Let me start sharing the next slide with you. Just 1 minute, students. No, by mistake I had clicked on that box, इसलिए थोड़ा ये distortion आ गया. Anyway, that's fine. So अभी image will come now. Yes, students, this is again an important answer. The 6 E's of ECRM. Okay, very important. So see, like I had told you, students, 6 E's. If you remember, even I had given you a code word to remember this answer. Correct? So let us begin. The first E is nothing but electronic channels. Students, the full form of E is electronic. So as we all know in today's time, e-messaging, emails, like all these technologies have, made managing customers so easy. Right? Managing customers means उनके queries resolve करना, targeting new customers, कितना आसान हो गया है. Right? The next E is enterprise. Now see students, enterprise means what? Like how a company can have sales department, service department. So what they will try to do is, I have always told you students, any great enterprise or company, take the example of a company like Godrej, Reliance, सालों से Tata's है, of course not to forget, right? सालों से इतने companies, why are they having such a good brand name in the market? The main reason is they have created an enterprise. They have won the trust of the customers. Correct? Next E stands for empowerment. Now, students, this is a very important concept in today's time. Empowerment means what? We are giving some amount of degree or freedom to our employees also. हम बोलते हैं ना, we are simply empowering them. Like कुछ decision making, they have powers in their own hands. That is what is told over here. Okay, the next E is your favorite subject, economics. So as you all know, students, economics is required in every field, right? What does economics basically say? We have to focus on cost cutting. In limited resources, how can we make sure that we ensure maximum utilization, right? Then evaluation, it's very important. Students, evaluation means what? We constantly need to check कि are the employees performing good, because at the end of the day they are representing our company. So अगर customers हमसे if really they are satisfied or not, that is why students sometimes you might be receiving those surprise calls also. आपको calls नहीं आते कि are very you happy with our experience, something like that. Correct? And last is external information. जैसे कि मैंने कहा स्टूडेंट सी, एज अ बिजनेस यू कैनॉट स्टे aloof in today's time. No doubt providing quality is a very important aspect, but जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को कहा स्टूडेंट्स, along with that third party information I have told you, SWOT analysis, we need to be aware of our surroundings, maybe what the competitors are doing. So कई बार थर्ड पार्टी से भी we might get customer related information, right? See, ultimately information wherever we are getting it from, how we will make sure कि we will utilize it in our best manner to make sure कि जो भी customer का information है, how we can achieve maximum benefit out of it. Correct? That depends on us as an organization. I hope you all are understanding, students, right? So this is what ECRM is all about. Okay. Now, if I will give you examples of banks, they have started using internet banking. You all know this in ECDM. ATMs, computerized decision making, tele banking है, smart cards है, mobile computing है. इसका students always I have told you, remember this one thing. See, if something has advantages, always disadvantages you cannot ignore. Like kai baar, like I had given you the example of maybe big basket, where even Paytm, where customers private data has been leaked, confidential data, right? So always privacy is a biggest concern. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let me share the next slide. Okay, now let us try to understand what is social CRM, students. Okay. Yes. So as you all can see on the slide, students, social networking and CRM. जैसे कि मैंने कहा students, in ECDM also I have told you, nowadays companies basically they are very active on social media. Correct, because हम बोल रहे हैं ना, we are combining social media plus CRM in a way, if I will tell you. So that is what is basically told over here. So अगर आप देख सकते हो customer engagement through their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages. Just you remember students very well WhatsApp. Yesterday what happened throughout the world, सब बंद हो गया था Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, right? So I was just reading an article in the morning. Few hours it was shut down, and Mark Zuckerberg, he basically owns all this Facebook, WhatsApp, and all, right? He had to suffer many losses. Okay, lead generation means I had told you students, ultimately which companies, see, if we want to become a leader students, we have to make sure कि ये जो हमारे resources है, we are having a good connectivity with the customers. Okay, that is what is told over here. Sales and marketing support, like I told you students, customer base जो होता है, what they want to buy. आपने online, I have already told you, there is someone, they constantly ask you for your feedback, reviews. इससे क्या होता है students, even they will be able to get to know you better. I told you in the beginning, understanding is also a very important part, right, of CRM. And marketing insights means companies like they conduct many research these days, students. So what happens through research is हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, एक reliable practical data they are getting. हम लोग बोलते हैं we are not just blindly made any conclusions, but हम बोलते हैं ना, we have come to concrete perfect results, right? So I hope you have understood CRM softwares. Okay, if you remember students, I had also, when our lectures were going on, shown you how these softwares look like. Correct? Okay. Now let us take up this very interesting concept, students. This is nothing but mobile CRM. We also call it as MCRM, right? So as you all know, students, nowadays mobile, it is such a useful instrument through SMS technology, right? Things have become so easy. Companies also nowadays, ये सब apps and all what they are developing for, proper CRM. Like, pehle it was only like through computers and all. But nowadays, if you see students, more and more mobiles are also being used. Correct. In fact, all applications and all. I have seen personally also, if I will tell you, students, even I am more comfortable using a smartphone as compared to a laptop, right? So if I will tell you, students, nowadays, there are help desk, call centers है, contact centers है, right? Field services. कई बार आपको, if you are demanding persons to come at your home, okay, they can come. So now some very important concepts which we'll do now is service automation software applications. मैं आपको quickly I will explain you these terms. Activity management, simple hai student. Like for example, if I'm like head of a call center, let's assume मैं सबको कुछ एक्टिविटी दे रही हूँ कि ठीक है, मे बी साउथ के कस्टमर्स ज्योति विल हैंडल, नॉर्थ के कस्टमर्स यागेश विल हैंडल, वेस्ट के रोहित विल हैंडल, ईस्ट के नेहा विल हैंडल, जस्ट समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग द एक्टिविटीज, कौन क्या कर रहा है. Agent management, like I have told you students, for example, agent management means कई बार there are many agents. मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था, if company in the very beginning, if they do not have the time कि CRM activity करे, they might allocate the task to a third party, right? Just how franchising works. करेक्ट. फिर केस असाइनमेंट, मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था स्टूडेंट्स, नॉर्मली जो जूनियर्स होते हैं कॉल सेंटर्स में, दे नॉर्मली मैनेज सिंपल केसेस. वंस यू अचीव सीनियोरिटी, कोई अगर बहुत महंगा प्रोडक्ट है या क्रिटिकल इश्यू है, एंड सच अ केस गोज टू द सीनियर. ओके. Next one is contract management. Students, contract works, how it works in today's time. Means, for example, if I will tell you, 1 साल का contract है आपके job का, 2 साल का है. Only if they like your services, they will continue. Okay. फिर customer self service. Self service means what मैंने कहा था, nowadays websites and all, they are having FAQs. करेक्ट. ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं कई बार. थिंग्स आर सो इजी स्टूडेंट्स, वी नीड नॉट आस्क एनीवन आल्सो. सेल्फ सर्विस में यही होता है. इफ कस्टमर इज एबल टू रिजॉल्व क्वेरीज ऑन हिज ओन, करेक्ट, देन लेस वर्क विल कम ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ कंपनी. ईमेल रिस्पॉन्स मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, EMRS. Students, for example, मैं मेरा ही बोल रही हूँ. I recently sent an email to Amazon. I had some query regarding my refund and all. So, they first of all take time, 48 hours का. We will get back to you within 48 hours. And afterwards, they did reply to me. Means हम बोलते हैं ना students कि emails आ रहे हैं, तो proper way में manage करना होता है. जो emails पहले आए, it's very obvious students, right? Like for example, how in a train station, if you go, ticket की जो line होती है, obviously those who are standing first, they will be given tickets or passes first. Correct. Escalation, this is a very important term students. Escalation means what, कोई भी complaints है, like for example, now if a junior level executive कोई नया है, if he or she is not able to resolve it, then maybe the complaint will go to his senior, right? So same way, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स की कंप्लेंट सीनियर तक गई ही नहीं, या ये प्रोसेस में a lot of time went. Correct. Now students, I'll share the next slide with you. This is inbound and outbound communication. Let me share the next. Do you know the meaning? It's very simple students. Even if you look at this PPT, you will be able to understand what is inbound and outbound. See, okay? Outbound communication. First of all, try to understand. देखो उसमें लिखा है, it is one way. नॉर्मली समटाइम्स मैंने जैसे कि कहा यू माइट रिसीव सरप्राइज कॉल्स फ्रॉम Amazon. They are normally, they have a list of questions which they are asking you, maybe about your feedback and all, right? That is outbound, company से बाहर जा रहे हैं. Now let us assume inbound. There will be some customer students जो लोग आपको कॉल करेंगे from call center में कि सर we have this query, we want to basically solve it. Okay, so that is what is told over here. तो inbound means जो भी आ रहा है, if customer is asking you मुझे return, replacement, refund चाहिए, तो ultimately we have to solve this query. करेक्ट, दैट इज नथिंग बट इनबाउंड, जो अंदर आ रहा है. सो इसीलिए लिखा है इट इज टू वे, because if customer is asking something, obviously students we have to reply to him or her, right? फिर नेक्स्ट आ जाता है इनवॉइसिंग, मीन्स जो भी इफ अ कस्टमर इज बाइंग समथिंग, यू नो हाउ प्रॉपर बिल्स आर टू बी मेड, रिटर्न प्रूफ होना चाहिए, right? Next, if I will tell you queuing and routing, इसका क्या मीनिंग है? Sometimes if you call these Amazon, any call center basically, कई बार banks and all I call students, see उनमें कितनी, there are so many people on the line. So first they will tell you, okay, you are 10th in the line, now you are 5th in the line, आपका number आएगा, something like that. It's scheduling. Now scheduling is very easy, students. See, scheduling means what? How we are scheduling your lectures every day. Correct? So same way companies also, maybe for example if I will tell you, उनके भी कुछ टारगेट्स होते हैं कि चलो मे बी टुडे आई हैव टू टारगेट दीज मेनी कस्टमर्स, इनको मुझे इनसे आई हैव टू टेक द फीडबैक, राइट? समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. आई होप किसी को कुछ क्वेरी नहीं है टिल नाउ. ये अब हमारा जो था मेजॉरिटी फोर्थ यूनिट इज डन. नाउ ओनली द लास्ट स्लाइड इज लेफ्ट. लेट मी स्टार्ट शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन. If you are having any query, what I would suggest you students is, first of all you watch my video once, okay? Because kai bar when you watch it twice, right, you understand things more better. So now this is the last slide for unit number 4. Let me share. Yes, recent या top trends in 2019. Okay, means normally even if we consider, these are pretty much same to what is happening in today's time. जैसे कि आपको पता है स्टूडेंट्स, nowadays companies are using multiple channels, means offline sources also they are using, online sources are also they are using. Artificial intelligence means more and more machines. ओके, हम लोग जो बोलते हैं नॉर्मली वी टेल ना कि हम तक क्वेरी आइडियली इफ अ कस्टमर इज एबल टू सॉल्व ऑन हिज ओन, it will also save a lot of time for the company. करेक्ट. मोबाइल CRM, ऑब्वियसली ये तो लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलेगा. CRM will continue to get social CRM की बात हो रही है. It will become more user friendly. CRMs won't live in a vacuum. Now see students, what does this basically mean is vacuum means, पहले कैसे होता था कि customer का only we are having the data but we are not doing anything about it. So that is what is told over here. Not like that students. Vacuum means effective होना चाहिए. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि not just we should mug up things. Why are you getting educated to be a more responsible person, right? Same thing. तो उसमें वही का है. फिर टेक्स्ट बुक में है in today's time there is a new concept students of cloud based CRM. You have to just remember, okay, these are very technical terms. फिर आज के टाइम में XRM बोलते हैं CRM को, राइट? अब जैसे कि मैंने कहा स्टूडेंट्स, चैलेंजेस मैं आपको बताऊं, इनिशियली कंपनीज हैव टू इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट इन दीज सॉफ्टवेयर्स, एंड जैसे कि मैंने कहा रिटर्न्स उतने, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट रिटर्न्स बट दैट विल बी ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. You cannot expect immediate returns. Okay, so that is what is told over. अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो काफी सारे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, बेटर कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? अब इसमें अब एक लास्ट कंसेप्ट है स्टूडेंट्स, एथिक्स इन CRM. This is also very important. Like you all can see students, there are so many ethical issues. Like for example, if I will tell you related to privacy, accuracy, right? कितना correct data है, accessibility, क्या data we are using customers का. So again, that is what is told over here. Issues always keep on coming, just like every coin has two sides, correct? But how they are making use of this data, that is up to them, right? So I hope you all have understood this, students. Today's lecture we are now officially done with unit number 4. पूरा हमारे CRM के सब revision lectures हो गए. Okay. So now if you will see, students, now this part you all already know it very well, so I am not teaching it over here. ये मैं आप लोगों को ECDM, e-commerce and digital marketing में next time when we start the lectures I'll be taking it for you all. Correct? Because this part, see how I always keep on telling you, students, the subjects are interrelated. Correct? So students, now I'll do one thing. Since now we are done with all the revision lectures for customer relationship management, do keep on watching my YouTube channel. If you know you want to complete, you want to finish all the revision for this subject, right? Let me stop recording.